What's up, guys? Check this out. So today I'm gonna buy soda from the vending machine at Winco. Stay tuned. Ooh. Okay. I think root beer. Found 2 pennies already. There's a dime on the ground back there. Can't reach that. So yeah, let's see what we got. Let me speed up. 1974, 2021. Costing it there were 2020 and a 1983 penny. Yeah, I have a 5. I might buy a little dippy snacks or a 2-liter Dr. Pepper. Alright, there we go. Let's get our root beer and check Coinstar. It's on top, but yeah, that's it. There's a penny on the ground. Nice. Oh, it's out of order. Okay. We got a penny on the floor. I'll take it. 1996 then. Alright. Alright, we got 53 cents plus the root beer. I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoyed.